Hello everyone, this is Raza
My name is Saryu.
and we are on the trek of the Great Lakes in Kashmir and अभी हम लोग हैं सोनमार्ग में। रात जो है हमने सोनमार्ग में ही कैंपिंग की थी और अब हम ये ट्रैक स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। सो मैं थोड़ा सा आपको सोनमार्ग दिखा देती हूँ। द ब्यूटी ऑफ सोनमार्ग, सच अ ब्यूटिफुल प्लेस। लकीली वेदर ने साथ दे दिया है, सो वी हैव स्टार्टेड आवर ट्रैक। पूरी रात बारिश हुई है और बारिश होने की वजह से ही लोकल्स ने हमें कहा कि वी शुड स्टे एट टेबल टॉप, लेकिन
So we are not sure yet. So yesterday was day 0 when we arrived from Srinagar to Sonmarg after so many of difficulties कि हमें स्टॉप नहीं मिल रहा था, हमें ब्यूटेन गैस सिलेंडर्स नहीं मिल रहे थे। तो 4-5 घंटे ऑटो में धक्के खाने के बाद when we finally got everything with us, then
we reached
Sonmarg and then we camped there. It was a beautiful camp location. We were able to fetch water as well from the nearby dhaba. That was the last dhaba on at the Sonmarg location. After that we are not sure. People say that there is nothing after this one. So we have carried everything with us, our ready to eat food, gas cylinders and stove. And today is our day 1. So we are heading towards Nichnai. Nichnai comes after Nichnai Pass. So we will be passing through a pass and then we'll arrive at Nichnai. Locals say that it's going to be really cold today because of the climatic conditions, but we are not sure yet because like half an hour before it was really cloudy, and now you can see it's we have sunshine over here. Now we start and then we'll shoot another video when we reach Nichnai.
Yeah.
We'll tell you about our experience on the way.
सो ऑन आवर वे टू निचनाई हमें एक आर्मी का चेक पोस्ट मिला, 2-3 आर्मी के जवान मिले। सो वो आपको पूरे रास्ते में ग्रेट लेक्स के ट्रैक पे जगह जगह पे मिलेंगे और आपको जो है इसके लिए परमिट चाहिए। ये ट्रैक करने के लिए परमिट चाहिए जो आपको मिलेगा कश्मीर टूरिज़्म से, TRC श्रीनगर से। तो वहाँ पे आपको अपना मेडिकल फिटनेस का एक फॉर्म जो है वो सबमिट कराना पड़ता है, प्लस अपने आधार कार्ड का कॉपी वहाँ पे दे के आपको जो है यहाँ का परमिट मिल जाता है, जो कि आपको यहाँ के पूरे ट्रैक के दौरान 2-3 जगह पर आर्मी के जवान को जो है सबमिट कराना पड़ता है। सो यू नीड टू हैव सम फोटो कॉपीज़ ऑफ दैट परमिट ऑल्सो, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
So
अभी थोड़ा हम फूड ब्रेक के लिए रुके हैं एंड टेबल टॉप करके एक जगह है जो कि ऑलमोस्ट वी हैव रीच देयर। यहाँ पे शेपर्ड्स के हट्स बता रहे थे, सो हम वहाँ तक तो पहुँच ही गए हैं। सो इस प्लेस को बोलते हैं टेबल टॉप। या एंड द व्यू फ्रॉम हेयर इज़ ब्यूटीफुल। ओके, आगे की इन्फॉर्मेशन थोड़ी देर में।
this apple is so tasty. Hello guys, so yesterday we stayed at Vishnasar and today we are heading towards Gadsar Lake, which I think is going to be quite far and steep from here. Around 16 kilometers of trek for today. Will take us around, I don't know, like 6 to 7 hours.
But then we cross crossing Gadsar Pass also.
We will be crossing Gadsar Pass. So on our way back, we have crossed Vishnasar Lake, and now what you see behind us is Krishnasar Lake, and that's all. It's quite windy today. It's quite chilly. We feel really cold. So alright, we'll catch up later once we reach Gadsar. Bye. Hello guys, so we came from that point which is Vishnasar Lake till all the way to that lake which is Krishnasar Lake, and after that we have taken the route all the way from there, and then if you can see the trails all the way from there till here, and now we are heading towards that point. Now we'll go to Gadsar Pass today. So we have reached finally Gadsar Pass, and this is the point. And it was not an easy route, I can assure you that. From Vishnasar till Gadsar Pass, you gain around 600 meters, and if I can only guess the distance, I'm not sure about it. It should be around 4 kilometers. I think it's 4 to 5 kilometers. We have around 12 more kilometers to go, but the beauty is amazing. What you see behind me is one is yeah. So and now we are heading towards the Gadsar Lake, yes. So behind me is long way to go to Gadsar Lake, and there is another small lake just beside that. So we'll reach there in about a couple of hours. I'm not sure about it, but let's see. So we have reached Gadsar Lake after crossing Gadsar Pass, and this lake is gigantic. It's amazing. All the glacier, the entire thing is quite scenic. Alright, hello. So today we'll be heading towards Satsar. We camped at the army campsite last night. We were way ahead of the place where we were supposed to camp, but we couldn't find any camp spot, any hut or something. So we just took shelter wherever we could. And now, so this is the path that we are going to take. This is all kind of a glacier. We will have to cross this one and then follow that trail. We have to go across that hill and then eventually reach our destination for today. Okay, so
टेंट हमने अपना लगा दिया है.
Yes.
अब हम करेंगे थोड़ा सा.
we are ready with the tent, and today we are in a mood to have mushroom soup.
Yeah.
And it will serve 2 people easily. And this is a burner, a portable burner, and this is a butane gas cylinder. So you see, so So we are ready with our burner and cylinder. Now all that we have to do is just light up the lighter.
थोड़ा फ्लेम कम कर दो.
Okay, as you can see, our mushroom soup is ready now. Looks delicious and hot. So this is going to be our nice evening snack time. And then at night we'll have biryani. So thank you. Bye bye. Hello guys.
Hi.
Hi. So last night we camped at Satsar. We found a really nice spot, as you can see here. We dig our tent here, and there was a stream flowing alongside too. So we had plenty of water, and but then we also had plenty of rain.
Yeah, last night was horrible for us. It was too windy.
We experienced rain, heavy rains, and heavy hailstorms, and felt like storm. So the wind was really strong. So it was really fun. Last night it was really interesting.
It was not fun for me actually. It was really scary.
She ended up waking up the entire night because she was so scared of the weather, number one, and number two about the animals, because someone from the last army camp told us that there are a lot of bears around this place. So Raza was kind of, I mean, I slept peacefully, but she was really scared about these things. But that's fine, part of the process. Anyway, so today we are heading towards Gangabal Point, also known as the Twin Lakes spot. So once we reach there, we'll be shooting another video.
Yeah, it is
Where?
about 8 to 9 kilometers away from
here.
And
So we are going to gain around 400 meters of elevation today. Kashmir Great Lakes is truly amazing.
plus it's first time.
Yeah, I mean,
vlogging.
if it's our first time vlogging, and anyone who is interested in doing solo, either as a couple or as a single person, we would recommend only coming here in August. You can come here in September too, during this time of the year. So as we said, we are heading towards Gangabal, and we'll start our trek now. Hello guys. So after a very tiresome day, we have finally reached Zach Pass, and we were so tired because we kind of forgot the way on our way up, and we had to go all the way down and then climb the entire mountain up. But Raza gave a good lead. That always follow the
Because I'm always right.
follow what?
Horses shit.
Yeah, always follow the horse shit. So we did that, and almost when we were about to lose our hope is when we met Muhammad. Mumtaz, and Mumtaz is such an amazing guy. इन्होंने हमारी बहुत मदद की है. अगर ये ना होते तो पता नहीं हम बैठे होते कहीं पे काफी देर तक. हमें खाने के लिए भी दिया. मतलब इतना शुक्रिया इनका. बड़ा ही अच्छा लगा इनसे मिलके. और अब अभी हम नीचे जा रहे हैं पूरा. So Zach Pass is the point. It's kind of a ridge, and from here on you can see those twin lakes. भैया उनके लेक्स का नाम क्या है?
गंगबाल नंदकोल.
एक का नाम है गंगबाल,
नंदकोल.
दूसरे का नाम है नंदकोल.
Gangbal.
Let me show the lakes. I'm not sure how visible it will be, but let me just try. Right. So yes. So the bigger one is Gangbal, and the smaller one is Nandkol. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. It feels amazing to be, at 4,000 plus meters again. This is truly an amazing experience, because after all the 3 to 4 hours, maybe, or maybe less, journey, you come here on the top, and then you find this amazing view. All the tiredness and everything is gone. All right. Catch up later once we reach down. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hello guys, day 6. So we camped near
Gangabir.
Gangabal Lake, the twin lakes. What is his name? Krishna.
Nandkod.
Nandkod. So we camped near the Nandkod lake. Again, the view was amazing. We had huge mountains behind us, and
Lake nearby.
and a lake and a stream flowing nearby, so we could get plenty of water. And now we are heading towards Naranag, which is going to be quite a descent. It's going to be a test for our knees. Catch you up later. Bye bye. Hello guys, so we have reached Naranag.
which is the end of our trek,
Yes.
and with lots of beautiful memories and beautiful pictures and videos in our phones, we are going back to Srinagar, and let's see आगे का क्या plan है.
So we still have 2 days left. Our flight is on 30th and today's 27th, so we still have 2 days. We'll see what to do in those 2 days. We have a lot of sheep around us. Alrighty, have fun. Bye bye.
Bye.